Voilà.
This is latex.
Yes, it's latex.
This
For
is
tire.
the
100%
finished product
carbon
of the leader. I mean the rubber, guys. And
It
this
dry
is from the
4 days.
tree.
And then have the different color. Yeah, different color. Kada dia cut. Pada dia work special dia sortir. Dia klasifikasi quality.
So
Dia 1, 2, yeah.
So different colors go to different places.
Yeah.
so
Yeah, because after the process the dry in the open.
the color. This is not yet colored. It's natural color
Yeah,
now.
this is the color. It's
Okay.
brown.
Brown. But then you colored. You put colors after.
Yeah. And pour the open the white color, yeah. And it's long time 4 days and temperature 40 under 60 degrees.
We are here in the rubber factory, guys, and this is the product, the finished product of the rubber. It's not really smelly like the smell like the same smell of the product from China. Like some of the like items, sometimes when it contains rubber, the rubber smells so bad. This one, no, it's not. The smell is not toxic. But the rubber from China, as you can notice, is toxic. These are all rubbers. It looks like leather, but they are
because
rubber.
automatic come the glue. Come.
You're saying when it's rejected, they can still use it to make glue.
Oh, really? But you burn it?
Yeah.
Oh, yes. They said the waste product,
No, this
they
is
can
if
use
it's
it as glue also.
Magic.
Oh, it will just glow by itself.
Voila.
Yeah. So they can use it for all the glue products.
So look at this, guys. It doesn't stick much on the skin, but he just cut it and then it glow by itself.
Come really process.
Yes.
Process here up to the cut. Yeah. Next is connect. Friend. It's automatic. Come to the glue.
Oh,
Or
okay.
the automatic stick.
So it is strong.
Strong. This long time. 2 days or
2 days.
Yeah.
Okay.
Very
They,
strong.
it takes 2 days to become strong.
For
It's
souvenir.
just
you.
amazing. Yeah?
Souvenir? Oh,
Yeah,
thank
souvenir.
you. Thank you for souvenir.
I'm gonna take this one.
They said quality control. The different color, they cut it up and they'll ship it for different purposes. They'll package them in groups based on. If it doesn't match any of these colors, then it becomes in this pile for glue.
Langsung mohon.
Wow. This must be very heavy.
So this is quality control. These are very heavy. How much are these?
113 kilo.
113 kilos.
So all inside there are rubber?
Yes.
Okay.
Tadi the press.
All right.
Look.
Okay. Wow.
Come the press. Before sell to Java, and then to the protect for powder. Yeah, the outside, yeah. Outside the protect the powder. Protect suckle.
The package.
Yeah.
Not to stick
No
each
stick,
other.
no stick.
Okay.
In the container, the high the container, no stick.
Oh, okay.
Protect.
This is the powder? Or
Where's the powder?
oh, over there.
With the powder.
But you don't use the flour.
Talc.
Okay.
Yeah.
Not the
talc.
flour.
No.
They put it,
The talc.
Okay.
Yeah.
talc.
The tarp.
Yeah.
Talc.
I don't know.
And then
Talcum powder.
the reject for glue.
Can you give me more reject?
Well,
The nice one.
this is the
These are the reject one.
after the process dry in the oven, that's no good for the fire, yeah. And the big one,
So what you do is it melt again?
yeah, with the process
okay.
the mix for the petrol, the petrol, yeah, big petrol
petroleum,
long
yeah.
time, 1 week, yeah, 1 week in the tank, 1 week the tank, mix for the petrol, the latex, and then the broken.
Okay.
the-
He
the
said
glue.
that you have to mix it with petroleum, with
Yes.
petrol, and then it will melt again with the petrol, the gasoline. Mhm. I'm trying to choose which one I'm going to take because this is a rubber and we don't have this in Philippines. We got a rubber in Philippines, but we don't know how to process it.
Yeah.
But
And this one, the foam, before the process, artisan di dia glue, glue, and then the process dry not for the fire, for the winter. This one,
okay.
and then for the press, the press and the dry, in the room for the
Okay,
winter.
not in the
Yes,
sun.
not
Okay.
sun.
Okay.
Same for the sandal, shoes,
Yeah.
What are the shoes?
Uh-huh. But how come that those rubber in China smells toxic?
Not elastic. No, synthetic.
Synthetic.
Yes,
They mix synthetic.
No,
They mix it.
synthetic. Yeah.
That's not no good. They are killing people.
What pay? No problem. Yeah.
Then you can use this as a like that, right?
Yeah.
Rubber.
It's rubber.
Slipper, everything.
Not slipper.
Very nice. Wow.
For the cooking, in the kitchen, cooking. After the cooking, and then have the plate.
Really?
No,
It won't melt?
no, not this one.
Really?
This one.
That one.
Yeah.
This one will melt, huh?
No, sendiri. No, kan dia broken. Kan dia broken.
Oh,
Different
okay.
kan the process. And then the winter, and then the fire.
Okay.
Yeah. And then next the process. The hand for making the bell. Slope.
How about for like when you use for wielding? For the hand gloves?
Yes, the glove, yeah.
Oh, really? Wow. Very nice.
It's not good because it's not good for dry in the open. This one.
Okay.
Yeah, because the big one. This one, the big one.
Yeah.
For
I think this one is
yes,
okay.
no problem. Begitu. The big one. Lelo.
Okay. Yeah, this is the way they cut. They just choose which one is the best.
Ada undang. One by one every day. So they just see every day the good one. This is the man of quality control.
So these are the reject product, but they will melt it again with the petroleum, and they will make another
Okay?
rubber again. They will
Pak, jalan dulu Pak ya.
or make another product. Okay, thank you guys.
Thank you. Makasih Pak.